This is the Germanica foldable USB fan, model number GER20CMFF. 3-speed setting, 3 fan blades, 90 degrees tilt, adjustable head, foldable design. So there's a fan in this small box, and you can extend it up to 90 centimeters. I got this secondhand for $10, a bit expensive, I think. This is how it looks like when it's folded down, and you open it like so. It doesn't say anything about the battery. It has built-in battery, I believe, and the battery is dead from last time I tested it. So this is the fan, micro USB. This is the fan, all plastic, rubber feet. I think the batteries here. These feet can extend out to give it more stability, and this folds like so and like so, and this is a telescopic neck. Three blades, 3 speeds. It turns on, so I haven't used it for a long time, and it's still holding charge, which is good. Not sure how long it will last. Already did. Yeah, I remember that it does not hold charge for long. So let's take it apart and see what's inside. And of course there's always one screw hidden under the rubber feet, and in our case we have two. Okay, we have weight here, some concrete, and this is the battery. It's a small battery. Yeah, the generic 18650, 2000 milliamps hour. So this is easy to replace. The switch, the USB port, which we can replace it with the USB type C because it's a breakout board, and we can add more batteries. This is the main circuit board and all the charging controller and the buttons, the speed, etc. Okay, I removed the battery, and I will order a new battery. And for now I can just use a power bank. works fine. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.